Consider an example for two-level cache system. We have L1 cache, L2 cache and main memory. Let access time for L1 be 1 nanosecond, hit rate is 0.8, access time for L2 is 10 nanosecond, hit rate is 0.9, access time for main memory is 500 nanosecond. We assume every requested word can be found at the last level, so the hit rate here is equal to 1. First, we shall consider the average memory access time for simultaneous access. If you can remember the equation, then can directly substitute it. Anyway, I will discuss step by step. The average memory access time general equation is hit rate into hit time plus miss rate into lower level access time. At L1, if it is a hit, the time taken is T1, and if a miss, the time taken is lower level access time. At L2, if a hit, the time taken is T2 because this is simultaneous access, and if a miss, the time taken is lower level access time. Next lower level at L3, if a hit, the hit rate is 1, the time taken will be T3 because this is simultaneous access. So the equation is distributing. Now we shall substitute. H1 is 0.8, access time T1 is 1, and miss rate at L1 is 1 minus 0.8, which is 0.2 into 0.9 into 10 plus M1 is 0.2, M2 is 1 minus 0.9. Hit rate here is 1 into 500. So the answer is 12.6. So if it is simultaneous access, then the average memory access time for this case is 12.6. Now consider hierarchical access. The average memory access time general equation is hit rate into hit time plus miss rate into lower level access time. If a hit in L1, the time taken is T1, and if a miss, the time taken is lower level access time. Moving to lower level, if a hit in L2, the time taken is T1 plus T2 because this is hierarchical access, and if a miss, the time taken is lower level access time. The next level, if a hit, the hit rate is 1 and the time taken is T1 plus T2 plus T3 since this is hierarchical access. So the equation is distributing, we get H1 T1 plus M1 H2 T2 H2 into T1 plus T2 plus M1 M2 into T1 plus T2 plus T3. We can either directly substitute or we can further simplify it to make the calculations easier. Distributing, we get H1 T1 plus M1 H2 T1 plus M1 H2 T2 plus M1 M2 into T1 plus M1 M2 into T2 plus M1 M2 into T3. Now H2 plus M2 is equal to 1. Hit ratio plus miss ratio equals 1. So we shall take M1 T1 out from these two, and we shall take M1 T2 out from these two. Again H1 plus M1 is equal to 1. Hence the equation is T1 plus M1 T2 plus M1 M2 into T3. Now we shall substitute. T1 is 1 nanoseconds, M1 is 1 minus 0.8, 0.2 into 10 plus M1 into M2 is 0.1 into 500. 13 nanoseconds. So if this is hierarchical access, then the average memory access time is 13 nanoseconds, which is a bit higher than the simultaneous access.